Hello from Slovenia again. I have some colors left from this triptych that I did with marbles, and I added a drop or two pentart silicone oil. What is wrong with that? I don't know, I see a weird angle. And I will do a flip cup with cells, of course, because I added silicone. And I don't know if I will use a marble too or not. I will just pour some titanium white on the bottom, quite a bit. And then I will layer my paints. This is Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue, and all colors have silicone, even white. And this is Pebeo iridescent green yellow, and Amsterdam greenish blue, and Amsterdam permanent blue violet, and Amsterdam red violet light. Okay, and I will add quite a thick layer of white again, so I will do kind of a sandwiching here, these colors between white. I will repeat the colors. So Prussian phthalo from Amsterdam, and the iridescent green yellow again, and greenish blue, and white. And this white color. No, or red violet light. Remind me of my rose. Okay, I'll finish this up with white again. I hope that I have enough paint. I have 12-ounce cup and 12 by 12 inch canvas, so I hope that it will be enough. I will flip this around. Okay, let's flip this. I like it for now. I will just add some paint here on the corners, and I will stretch it before I will tilt it, torch it. So I will just grab this corner catcher to catch as much paint as I can, because the last corner and I will just look at this composition and see Okay. So let's torch this now. First from up high, just to see what is happening. Oop. Kind of don't like this part, so I will fill this part out quite a lot, I think. I don't know, I will just torch all over it because now I don't like that. And I will use some marble, obviously. I will wait just a second. So definitely I want to go through this big one and through some of those caterpillars. So let's see. So I will start here. And that way I will stretch it a little more. Okay, and the same here. We'll start here because I have these caterpillars that I don't like. I will just stretch this part out a little more. Just walk. And back. And now I have to go through here a little bit too. Let's go. part. So I will just try to tilt it a little bit off. Okay. I think it's better. I'm thinking to maybe do some balloon dips, but probably I won't. Just think that this part now, it's not my favorite one. Let's tilt a little bit this pink cells off too. Okay, and I will just play a little more. Just a little torch here, maybe. I love the colors, but not sure about the whole composition. Let me just do something here. Better, I think. I will say that I really love the colors, and I love when I look at it like that from my perspective. I kind of see a landscape with a tree and something around, but not up close. If I look at it from far. This is a close-up. I really like it because it almost looks like a bloom technique, because there is a lot of lacing, not necessarily look like cells with this normal flip cup, how can I say, and the colors blend together really beautifully. I didn't get any weird colors out of this, so I will say that I really like it, and I really see a landscape with something, I don't know. Maybe I should tilt just a little bit of this off. Maybe I will off camera, I don't know. Or maybe I should just leave it like it is. Maybe this part, just something with this part, and it will be perfect for me. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!